Hi everyone, this is Ms. Granger. In this digital lesson, we will be covering the ATL skill of analyzing complex concepts into their constituent parts and synthesizing them to create new understanding. As usual, you will record your notes as you watch the digital lesson, and you can use those notes on the mastery check. Let's get started. Our objective for this lesson is that students will analyze complex concepts into their constituent parts and synthesize them to create new understanding by making connections between social emotional statements and beliefs and values. So let's first talk about what this skill even means. When we analyze complex concepts into their constituent or different parts, and we synthesize them to make new understanding, students can break down difficult tasks and truly understand the meaning. From there, opportunities will arise for students to be creative in the creation of their product. Sometimes a particular task or even concept can be very challenging and really complicated. And so it's important to know how to break that task down into parts and be able to figure out what to do with it. Let's talk about the 2 short steps to be able to do this task. Number 1, you'll want to assemble and define key vocabulary and concepts to truly understand the meaning. You would consider finding or creating examples to support these definitions. Examples can be a really good way to show your understanding of something. Number 2, you would show your understanding of these words and concepts by putting that information together. And that really is what the synthesized part is. So when we synthesize something, this means that we're doing something with that information. We're putting together that information in a creative way. There are 3 reasons that this skill actually matters in your life. Number 1, it can help you understand a concept that is complicated. Sometimes we have to face issues or tasks or problems that are challenging. And so being able to do this skill can help you not feel so frustrated. Which leads to the second point. It can help you make you less stressed about completing a task. You know how to break the task down. You understand the different steps. You can take it one step at a time. And number 3, it can help you produce something original and unique, and that helps set you apart, which makes people then remember you or your task even more. We're moving right to the mastery check on this lesson. We're still focusing on analyzing complex concepts. The directions say, demonstrate your understanding of analyzing complex concepts into their constituent parts and synthesizing them to create new understanding by explaining the connections between different key phrases. You'll turn your page over to work on this. You're going to be looking at the diagram below and on your paper. You will explain the connections between 3 sets of phrases for you personally. Then you'll use the beliefs and values document and choose 1 word per connection that summarizes your explanation. So there are 4 different statements here. The top one says, having goals for the future. The second one says, feeling a sense of fulfillment with life. The third one down here says, maintaining positive relationships. And finally, on the left-hand side, having a stable state of mind. Between each of these statements, you're going to see a line with a number. So for example, number 1 means the connection between having a stable state of mind and having goals for the future. Number 2 connects these 2 ideas. 3, 4, idea 5 or connection 5 are the ones across from each other, and connection number 6 are the connections between the top statement and the bottom statement. So you're going to choose 3 connections, 3 different numbers, and you'll explain your thoughts below. So in the blank it says blank, number blank, so perhaps I choose number 4. I would then explain in this box the connection between having a stable state of mind and maintaining positive relationships. That's your explanation that you'll put here. You will choose 3 of the 6 connections and explain how they're connected. The very last bit of this mastery check is to synthesize or to do something with it. So you're going to find a belief/value from the belief value document. The document looks like this. It has a little description at the top that says, core values are the fundamental beliefs of a person. These guiding principles dictate behavior and can help people understand the difference between right and wrong. core values also help people to determine which identity groups they want to be a part of. So there are lots and lots of words, phrases, and pieces of information in this document for me to choose from. So you're going to be choosing one belief or value per connection that you write about on your paper. Be sure to check out the rubric at the bottom for how your teacher will grade this mastery check. They'll grade it out of 8, and you will turn it in to the appropriate place for your classroom. Good luck on this assignment, and if you have any questions, be sure to check with your teacher.